welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to change the headlight settings on a Toyota. Here we have a 2018 Toyota Rav4, but if you have a Toyota with the same head unit here, the settings procedure is going to be the same. So on the lower right here you have setup, so press that, then press select vehicle, then select vehicle customization, then go to light setting. Here you can do the headlight on sensitivity. So if your headlights are not turning on early enough, like if it's let's say on a foggy day, there isn't enough light, so maybe the headlights are not turning on automatically, or you want them to turn on when it starts to get dark, you want them to turn on as early as possible, you can press the plus sign there, and then sensitivity will go up and your headlights will turn on as soon as they can. The other one is headlight auto off timer. So if you want the headlights to stay on for 30 seconds when you lock the car, you can have that. You can turn this off, or you can have them stay on for 1.5 minutes if you want to, but eventually they're going to have to turn off so they don't drain your battery. Daytime running lights, you can have that on or off. So if you don't want daytime running lights, you can uncheck it. You do want to leave that on though. Some countries now it's required to have daytime running lights for safety reasons, so keep that on. And that's all. Thanks for watching.